In front of me is ZTE Blade V8 Lite, and let me show you how to add and remove Google account on this phone. So at first, just open the settings, then find and select accounts. And as you can see, currently we are logged in with our Google account. To remove it, just mark Google and tap on more icon. Select remove account then, and if you truly want to delete this account with all its data, tap on remove account. Confirm that you want to do it. Draw your unlock pattern to confirm. And that's it. As you can see, it is no longer connected with this ZTE Blade. And then whenever you'd like to add some Google account, just click on accounts, select add account, and pick Google. And at first you need to provide your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your Google account. And tap on go. And now just provide the password, so let me do it off the screen. Here it is, and as only the password is entered, tap on next. And that's it. Now you can read Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, privacy policy, and if you do agree with all the above, just tap on I agree. And tap on accept to confirm your selection, and that's it. As you can see, from now on, your Google account is connected with this ZTE. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.